Hey guys, today I'll show you an amazing tool called Shots that turns your screenshots into amazing mockups. So Shots.so is the website name. It's still in beta and it's completely free. So you tap on Start Creating. So you have a lot of options as you can see, but what you want to do is you want to select your image right here. So tap on this button and select your image. Once you selected your image, you can change a lot. So you can change the style, so you can change from screenshot to browser, for example, and you can choose between Safari Light, Safari Dark, Chrome Light, Chrome Dark. I prefer this one. So you also have, for example, laptop, and you can do the MacBook Pro 13. You can even change the color or if you have a vertical image, you can select phone, you can select iPhone 14 Pro Max, and even change the color of this as well. There are a lot of options, but what I like is to use this one for now, because I have a horizontal image. So you can see the shadow currently is 40. It's, yeah, like this. You can even change that, make it like low, high, none. I like low 40. You can change the position of the image, so you can select the left corner like this, make it like this, but I prefer the middle right now. You can scale it, so like this. Let's do 50 for now, or you can do it manually. So you can also change the frame, so you can add noise. I really like that. Let's do full noise. You can select different colors, so you can select solid colors as the background, or you can select gradient colors like this, and tap on this one if you want more options to choose from. Let's do this one that matches my branding colors quite well. You can select wallpapers, vintage backgrounds, which matches the noise quite well, holographic gradients, mesh gradients, or abstracts. I'm choosing this one right now. You also can select a transparent background if you want that. So it's only this image with the shadow. But I am choosing this. Okay, you can change the size if you want to. You can, for example, select this one or this one. For example, for a YouTube video, for a YouTube thumbnail, if you want that. Or yeah, you have a lot of options as you can see. Instagram story. The options are literally endless. So another cool option I like is this one. You can select this and you can make it kind of 3D or something. It looks really cool. You can scale it right now by doing this. I think it's a pretty cool option. So with the browser option, it does not look really cool or something. But if you, for example, select a wearable, for example, a Apple Watch, you have also different options. So you can use it for literally anything. The options are so, there just are a lot of options. It's insane. Or phone, you have different options for the phone as well. A lot of mockup options. Let's do an iPad, for example, like this. Looks so great. Or let's do a Pro display. Then we can change everything. Let's do an iPhone 13. Again, you can change everything. It's just abnormal. It's so great. And again, you can change the colors of the phone. But I am preferring the browser right now. So as you can see, there are a lot of options. As you can see, 9 layouts. So with layouts, they mean these things. So for the screenshots, there are 7. For the minimal phone, there are 14. As you can see, it's just a phone without like a border or something. It's not a branded phone, like an Apple phone or a Pixel phone or a Samsung phone or something like that. So I'm choosing the browser right now, and let's keep it light. Let's scale us back to 50. So once you're satisfied with your image, with your mockup, you can download it right here. You can use the command. You can use the shortcut command S to download it, so it automatically downloads. Or you can change the settings, the image quality, for example, the resolution, or a PNG, or this one. I don't know how to pronounce it well in English. No, I'm not trying it. All right. So as you can see, the image quality, it changes the output resolution. So I'm choosing just one, and PNG, and press download. So it's really great. It's just you can choose again different options. This one, you can scale it again. It's really great, and it's completely free. It's still in beta, so it's not perfect probably, but yeah, it's really great. I really recommend you trying the tool. I will link it down below so you can check it out. It's definitely worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this tool works for your project, and if so, I would appreciate it if you guys can subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.